Have you ever wondered why, no matter how many diets you try, that stubborn belly fat just won't go away? The truth is, losing belly fat has less to do with starving yourself or spending hours in the gym and more to do with what you do in the first hour of your morning. What if I told you that a few simple steps each morning could activate your fat burning hormones, shrink your waistline, and give you more energy than coffee, all in just 1 month? Today, I'll walk you through a powerful morning routine that has helped thousands of people reduce belly fat naturally. And here's the best part: it doesn't require fancy equipment, strict dieting, or endless workouts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to drink, how to move, and even how to set your mind each morning to get your body working with you instead of against you. Stick around, because I'll also share 4 powerful DIY belly fat burning drinks you can make right at home, plus a 5-minute workout that's scientifically proven to trigger fat loss around your midsection. If you're ready to finally see your stomach flatten, your energy rise, and your confidence return, let's dive right in. To fight belly fat, first you need to understand it. There are 2 main types of fat. 1. Subcutaneous fat, the fat just under your skin. This is the kind you can pinch. 2. Visceral fat, the fat deep inside your abdomen, surrounding your organs. This one is more dangerous because it's linked to diabetes, heart disease, and hormonal imbalance. Most people struggle with visceral fat, and that's the one we're targeting in this video. The good news? Morning routines that boost metabolism, reduce stress, and improve digestion can help reduce both. Here are 4 detailed DIY morning detox drinks. Drink 1, lemon, ginger, cayenne pepper. Recipe: warm cup of water, 1/2 lemon, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, pinch of cayenne. Benefits: detox, improves digestion, speeds calorie burning. Drink 2, green tea with mint and lemon. Recipe: 1 bag green tea, fresh mint leaves, 1/2 lemon. Benefits: EGCG in green tea boosts metabolism, mint reduces bloating. Drink 3, cinnamon and clove belly fat tea. Recipe: 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 cup hot water. Benefits: balances blood sugar, reduces cravings, boosts fat oxidation. Drink 4, apple cider vinegar detox tonic. Recipe: 1 tablespoon ACV, 1 cup warm water, dash of honey. Benefits: improves insulin sensitivity, reduces belly fat storage. Rotate these drinks daily or choose one to commit to for 30 days. Consistency is the secret. Morning fat burning workouts. Warm up for 5 minutes with arm circles, hip rotations, light jogging in place. Main workout: jumping jacks, 2 minutes. Mountain climbers, 1 minute, 3 sets. Bicycle crunches, 2 minutes, 2 sets. Standing side crunches, 1 minute, 3 sets. Plank to shoulder tap, 30 seconds, 3 sets. High knees, 2 minutes. Cool down, 5 minutes. Stretching, deep breathing. These moves may seem simple, but when done consistently, they train your core muscles, burn calories, and trigger fat-burning hormones. After your drink and workout, don't sabotage your progress with the wrong breakfast. Instead, choose belly fat-friendly foods. Best morning foods: high-protein smoothie, spinach, banana, protein powder, and flax seeds. Oatmeal with cinnamon and chia seeds. Boiled eggs with avocado. Greek yogurt with berries. Foods to avoid: white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, processed fruit juices. Here's a hidden secret: belly fat is not just about food or exercise. Stress and lack of sleep can make your body hold on to fat. High cortisol increases cravings and stores fat in the belly. That's why morning stress relief practices like deep breathing, journaling, or meditation are powerful. Just 5 minutes can balance hormones and make your fat-burning efforts more effective. Here's your 30-day morning belly fat routine. Before meal, take 1 cup of detox drink of your choice. Do a 5 to 30 minutes fat-burning movement. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Practice 5 minutes of stress relief. Repeat this every morning for 1 month, and you'll see your waistline shrink, your energy skyrocket, and your overall health transform. Remember, belly fat doesn't disappear overnight, but with consistency, these simple steps can change your body and your life. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips.